we have a UPS that we want to change the battery for. So we'll just go ahead and do this. I've done this one a couple of times. I make it a habit of just renewing the battery instead of throwing away the UPS. Okay, what I need to do first is undo the screws. There's a couple on the back here that I need to take off, and a couple on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, that I need to take off as well, and that will take the case off. Now, always keep the screws separate and keep track of them where you take them off. I'm keeping mine just to the side of the mat here. Just get the two on the side, on the back. I've got another screwdriver here that I'm just going to lever this back a bit. It's a little bit fiddly to get it off. Normally you've got to lift this away from the bottom to be able to get it out. Okay, that's got that off. Now, this is the inside of a UPS. This is a battery that we need to change. Generally what I do first, I focus myself around this area and try to keep away from this area, because it's 240 volts that comes out of here, and at the moment it's still got a live battery in there, so we'll disconnect that first. Disconnected the battery, and I'll just get this one off as well, because it's just makes it easier to move the wires out of the way. Just get them out the side there and out the way. The battery's disconnected. Now I need to take this bracket off, and there's a couple of screws underneath. I'm holding the battery up with my other hand because I'm doing it upside down, but we've got to get the battery out. This particular type is a little bit hard to get out. I found that you've got to sort of lift it up over a couple of brackets and slowly ease it out. Just watch out for some of these metal bits, they're a bit sharp. So the idea is to curse a bit and okay, I've got it started now. Got to sort of do Okay, got the battery out. Okay. Okay, got the battery back in. It's a little bit fiddly, this one, and then it just falls into place after a little bit of persuasion. Screwing the bracket in for holding the battery down. Those two screws there. Make sure they're reasonably tight. It's holding the battery in. When you put a battery in, they've got a couple of plastic covers. I always leave them on until I'm ready to plug the wires in. Black wire, obviously, on the black terminal. Just feeding the red wire through. Take the plastic cover off. That's in there. And you can see the plastic cover there. Just take that off. And plug the red wire in. And then plug this wire backing up the top on the circuit board. I'm not sure what that does, but so now this is all, everything's all plugged in. Now this is live again, so you know there's 240 volts still comes out the end there as soon as you plug all the batteries in. So just a matter of getting the cover on now. Yep, the cover's going back on. It's just the reverse of taking it off. Four screws on the bottom. I normally just screw them in loosely and then tighten them all up at the end once everything's in position. Got a couple here on the end to screw in, just making sure that I've got it in the camera. Screw these ones in, it pushes it towards the front of the box and seals it up properly. And then I'll just go on the bottom and screw them tight and everything's going to be done. So that's all finished. I'll be able to plug that in.